Hello, welcome back to the Black Sheep channel. Black Sheep here. On this channel we do some YouTube tips. We do gun reviews and prepping review, gear review videos. We do some product review videos as well. Today is YouTube gear review essentially, or anybody that's going to be doing videos on YouTube, microphone review. Today we are going to be talking about probably everybody's first microphone, or you should be your first, was mine, the Boya BYM1 lavalier mic. I'm normally shooting, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I'm normally shooting with that Tacstar shotgun mic, which is sufficient for most, and we like our shotgun mic. Today, you're hearing me on the Boya BYM1. I just shot a video on the Oreos. If you want to see the Oreo video, I'll put a link to it right up here. Not going to spoil it. Special edition Oreo, you'll have to watch it. It's a short 2-minute video. It's not a long video. So you can watch that up there. I use the Boya BYM1 on that. Anyway, the reason I like this thing, it's got really good sound, as you guys can hear. We don't have to worry about background noise. Shotgun mic takes care of that anyway, but she's not having to hold the shotgun mic either. A lot of you, if you watched my review on the Tacstar shotgun mic, it's not fitting in my hot shoe on the top of my Nikon D3300 for some reason. I've talked about this in the comments with a few people, and we all kind of came to the conclusion that the Tacstar mic I happen to get must just have a base on it that's a little bit out of spec, and it's too big and it's not fitting. It's just something that's a defect. The microphone works fine, so we've been just hanging it off the side. My wife's been holding the shotgun mic with her free hand. So we use that in most cases. It's not a problem. We've got the fill light on top in our hot shoe now, so we couldn't put it up there anyway. We got to hold the mic or put it on another stand, which we finally got. But anyway, today I want to talk about the Boya BYM1. Excellent lavalier mic. It's cheap. I forgot how much I paid for it, 20 something. I'll put the price here up on the screen. I'll look it up. And I'll also put the link in the description down below. I've got my Amazon link and my Amazon affiliate program back up. If you're watching this, you guys are YouTubers, so you're probably wondering about Amazon affiliate. I've did several videos on Amazon affiliate program. Check it out on the channel here. But I finally just recently turned my Amazon affiliate links back on and turn the affiliate program back on after being demonetized by Amazon twice. Everybody will tell you, get your affiliate link, you can start, doesn't matter how small you are, it does matter how small you are. Amazon will cancel you if you're too small, if you don't have enough of a following. Thanks to my subscriber drive recently, I'm close to passing up 200 subs today, and I don't think I'll get canceled by Amazon anytime soon. So this is a link. You'll help the channel if you buy your BYM1. Won't cost any more. I get a small affiliate commission, and you can too. Because get one of these mics. Everybody should get one. One thing I like about it is the long cord. I'm sitting 8 feet away from the camera right now, and I've got a lot of this cord up here underneath my shirt where I've got it mounted. But I can walk into the kitchen, and I did. On the break, I wasn't attached to the camera. I could walk into the kitchen and get something on the break here. So you've got, I think it's almost 30 feet of cord. I'll put that up on the screen. And like I said, it's cheap price. You've got really good sound. There's a small button battery that goes right in here in line when you're using a 35mm camera. And it's got a switch on there when you're using a smartphone. You can click the switch, and I don't think it uses the battery anymore. It runs on your smartphone. So you can use this with your 35mm or your mirrorless, and you can use it also with your smartphone. So it's really a brilliant mic. I'm not the only one that's done a review on it. I think there's probably dozens of reviews out there on it. Like I said, we weren't using it because we were using the shotgun mic, mainly because I kind of misplaced this thing for a few weeks. And so I've been meaning to do the review. Excellent shotgun mic. Get it. There's a link in the description. I appreciate you guys watching this review. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them down in the section below. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, please. And check back, see more videos from me often. You're going to see weekly videos now throughout the rest of the year at a minimum. And more surprises to come. I appreciate you guys watching today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.